We are currently taking along the amazing truffle hunters from Karlić Tartufi, deep in the Istrian forest. Our most valuable team members, Kika and Bubica, are on a mission to find some truffles. They are the only ones that can do this part of the job, and female hunters are the best. Traditional Croatian cuisine, deeply rooted in the country history and regional diversity, offers a range of delightful flavors. Croatia boasts a rich Mediterranean influence, and one of its culinary highlights is the use of truffles, especially in Istria. Istrian pasta, like fuji, is a beloved dish often paired with a truffle sauce. I had the honor of assisting their chef with some fuji with truffle sauce. I was so amazed by the earthy aroma of the truffle that I just had to sprinkle some more on top of the sauce. I can't begin to describe the way it tasted. You just have to try it. Ecotourism in Croatia offers travelers the opportunity to explore landscapes and enjoy a meal in a family-owned tavern, promoting a sustainable way to protect the environment and develop rural areas.